Hey! Today, I will show you how to use this awesome tool that I found on the internet. Right now, I have almost nothing, but keep watching my video and you will see what's gonna happen. For the beginning, follow the website I'm showing right now. Okay, so now we can start. Firstly, you will need to enter your username or email address. Then choose the amount of resource you would like to receive, and click Generate button and wait a few moments. After the generation process, you will have to activate security system. It will take only a few minutes and will be fun. Let me show you how I do it. After trying these apps, you can close them and open your game. Congrats! Now you can see your resources growing up. Click like for my video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel for more game hacks. See you! Bye!